Hello and welcome back to the terrible game you all love watching us play. This is mission 5 of 11. I feel like this is good preparation for fire team though. I'm hoping that will actually be half decent.
Yeah.
I tried to have a look at when it was out and it just says summer. Oh.
Oh.
Ooh. Oh, that's a nice little reference to the alien design. I like that.
Now I know how keys
Right.
felt.
Quick question.
Does anyone read? This is Winter. I'm in trouble and I don't know where I am.
What happened in the last one?
I can't remember.
I don't remember this happening.
According
No, I
to
don't remember this
the
happening either.
according to the comments, we talked about alien movies.
But I'm pretty sure we didn't get captured.
What do we do, man?
I don't recall that either. What the hell? Oh, it's an alien running around. What was? What happened there? Why have I got no weapon? Oh my god.
What?
There's some. Oh, here he comes again.
Oh no. Ah, good game.
Right, so
What do we do, man?
Don't go down there. That's where the big bad bug came from. Come this way.
right, I'll go this way, see what happens.
Your funeral.
Okay. I can't see shit.
I'm staying with Bob. He looks like he knows what he's doing.
I've played enough horror games to know what the game's subtly trying to tell you.
How do you crouch?
It's C for me.
Oh, it is C. Okay, I thought it was control.
Fucking move!
Okay, there's nowhere to go.
Ah, this way.
Oh, fuck.
Oh, jeez. It's fine. He's just jump scaring us.
I can't even see anything, it's quite dark.
Oh,
Oh, we have to run.
let's hustle.
Then.
C, C, not X. There you go.
See, this is actually entertaining.
Yeah, I'm enjoying the beginning of this one so far.
Ooh, just down here.
Once we remembered what was going on.
Yeah. This probably shouldn't wait as long.
Well, to be honest, I didn't realise it would be so popular.
Oh, we've been here before.
Oh,
Oh. I think this guy's dead.
you think?
Disable sewage pump. Sure, why not?
Yeah, why not? We'll let you press it, you know.
There's something down here
There's
as
another one
well.
there. Try that one.
I'm on it.
Anybody getting Star Wars garbage thing? No? Okay.
A little bit.
Uh-oh.
There's all these husks in this.
Shh.
What kind of bugs are these?
Damn it. You ran into those? There are some still alive down there, so move slowly, Winter. Near as I can tell, they're attracted to sound. But if one gets close, stand perfectly still until it goes away.
This is not
that-
going to be good.
Is that guy
Okay.
sleeping? Or,
I think they're. Oh god, his jaw's dislocated. Are they alive? Are they dormant? Or.
I think they're dormant, so if we make too much noise, we'll wake them up.
I'd rather not find out.
Yeah, I'd rather not either. It's quite a lot of them.
Something's making a noise. Oh.
Yeah, it's this way. Well, I like the lighting up there. That's quite cool. Although, if you're epileptic... Oh, one's moving.
I'll put a warning on again.
One.
What the
Did you-
fuck?
He's having a good time. This is actually pretty atmospheric. I don't mind this at all.
Need to turn that up.
This is an improvement on what we've
Yeah, I
done
wouldn't
so
mind
far.
it if the game started like this. That'd be pretty cool.
Where are we going? Up?
Yeah, you're gonna need a strobe light warning in this video as well.
Yes, I
Oh,
did.
he's on the left. You see him?
Yeah,
on the
yeah, I
left.
see him.
I-
Yeah,
Go
I'll
dead
do-
ahead. You're alright.
Oh.
Where you go? Where you go?
I can't see. It's so dark for me. I can't see
Go,
anything.
I'll gauge you. Just keep going.
God, this is a trust exercise. Don't move.
Uh-oh.
Don't move. Don't move. Don't move. Don't move. Don't move.
I'm not moving. What is up with him?
I think he's got the cold.
He's got something.
Look, we just bunched him there. It worked.
Oh, don't move. Don't move.
Is it like infected with something?
Something weird just happened there. I teleported
Oh. Oh, where are you? Oh, you're over there.
in front of you.
Oh, that was convenient. Ooh, checkpoint.
There's another one ahead of us. Oh my god, they're walk
What's the deal
animation.
with the walk?
I don't know, but
Oh.
it's almost like they're doing like a comedic tiptoe. Uh-oh.
Oh. Oh no.
Damn, man. You didn't tell me those guys exploded.
Exploded.
Yeah, it's not good. They were like, oh, what's that noise? And then they fucking exploded. Coming to you.
You know what? Fair play.
This game's alright.
When it's working fine, I do enjoy it.
I feel like there's a wee bit of originality to this sequence. It's quite fun.
Yeah.
Oh, I found an Easter egg.
Yeah?
Nothing I can pick up, but yeah, I got an achievement. The most
Ah.
important night. It's Newt's doll's head.
Oh, really?
Oh, well.
Take a left.
Oh,
It's
yeah.
on a barrel.
Oh, yeah.
Let me see that Easter egg.
I just
Oh, yeah.
walked by and I looked right and I went,
Ah,
that
that's
was
cool.
something out of place. I would.
Oh. That wasn't me.
That was me. I'm just
no,
hiding. I honestly can't see where I'm going.
There's a stairway to the right. Don't really know where I'm going myself, mind you.
Can't.
No, this is just a rail in front of us. Never mind.
Okay. I'd have thought you'd need to follow the light. Oh, is this a tunnel down here? No. Looks like there's a door up there, but it's sealed. Ah. Here's where we need to be.
Oh, I thought my game crashed there.
Oh.
Technical difficulty. Oh, excellent.
Alright, please don't be making too much noise.
Still the big guy to worry about.
We'll worry about that when we need to. This is fine.
In the walls, man. Oh, watch out.
I'm not moving.
I think he likes you. He's went dormant again. I don't think he can get up here.
You're going to have to run and jump.
One of it. Oh, fuck.
Did you two just teleport down here? Oh
Yeah.
no, oh no. This isn't good. This is fine. Go on without me, I'll teleport.
Why did it teleport us?
I know.
Just when you think this game's got a hold of itself.
I think you need to cut open that door. Oh, are they going back to sleep? Ah, they've gone back dormant. Oh.
Oh crap.
One's gonna explode. Oh no, oh no, oh no.
Ah,
Worth it.
thanks, Bob. Oh, you're there. I thought you died.
Oh, hey, Neil. Do we need to escort you somewhere really awkward where you're gonna do nothing but walk around and shoot the walls?
We're closing in on the signal.
Can't wait.
Almost out of here, bro.
Oh, see ya.
Go on.
Right, for the record, I'm against this idea.
Well, I woke them all up last time, so it's your turn.
Fair play.
Surely they shouldn't really be able to hear us with all these splashing noises anyway.
Yeah, fair point.
Oh my god, really? Go back to sleep.
Nobody said anything.
You're
It's not time for school yet.
sleepy.
There you go.
Oh,
Oh, here he comes.
Huh.
And there he
Oh,
goes.
there he goes again. It's fine. They're quite friendly and she gets them.
Winter, it's back. Oh, it's right on me. A huge bug is.
oh, is Neil dead? Oh.
Oh.
What? I think I just teleported a very short distance then.
Yeah.
Oh, get in here.
I'm coming.
Seal the door behind you. Seal every door.
Someone seal the door.
It got me.
Can. Oh, Jesus. Hello.
Can you shut the door behind you? What happened there? I'm watching Toaster at the moment. You can see my legs poking through the door.
I cannot see where I'm supposed to go. Oh, there.
Dead ahead. Yeah, you'll need to seal it behind you.
Did you die, Bob?
He just patiently waited for you to, go.
No,
Okay,
it's very
that was
polite.
nice.
I'm in the elevator room.
Let's go, man.
Well, it's a good job one of us knows what they're doing. Hey, I'm back.
Yeah, there we are.
Ooh, I've got a gun. Oh, shit. I did have grenades.
Oh, it's still coming.
What's
Come on,
your
Neil.
grenade button again?
Grenade is F. Torch is not F.
What's torch? L?
X.
X.
Okay. Thank you.
Oh god, it's O'Neill. Oh, it's one outside. Oh, it's fighting music.
Yeah, save my ammo.
Are we just supposed to be fighting them off? Oh, jeez.
Bob!
Ow! Oh,
Stop running!
try to get some ammo. God, they got me. That was my fault.
Ah, set one on fire.
Thank you. Alright, we're back. That's a mistake.
Oh shit.
I think we've got to go ahead. Yeah, the nav points. If you bring up your motion sensor, you'll be able to see it.
Sulaco actual, come in. Come in.
Yeah.
Jeez, your character's jumping around all over the place.
They took Reed. We're down to a few mags. We're about to start throwing rocks.
It's okay.
It's okay, Bell. Let's regroup and go after her.
I'll just use harsh language.
We got
Get
split
it?
up. She was by the fuel cells when I ran into the shed.
On me. We'll try to cocoon her first. We got time.
How do you know that?
Keys. Let's move.
Right, so we're rescuing someone. This way? Ah.
Oh, I see.
Didn't Bella get infected?
Yeah.
If you could see what I'm seeing with your character, Bob.
I just warping everywhere.
Yeah.
It's my special power. It's special because it doesn't actually help me.
It's okay at the moment, but it's like you're jumping up and down really, really quickly. Where are we going?
Oh no, we're just rescuing someone. We can't even see her.
Thanks.
Oh.
Oh, right, okay.
We got company, guys.
Right, contact.
This game's pacing and scripted sequences are so broken. I think
Come
we'll just
on,
fall
AI.
back.
Yeah, screw them, just fall back. Apart from Lem.
Let's get to the comm tower. I was almost done. I almost died.
The direct line is paced.
How do I get up?
Oh yeah, just we'll be okay down here. On the right, behind you, Starboard.
Oh, shit.
Oh, you really don't know what the AI is going to do. I'm down. I don't know
Okay.
how, but I'm down.
What I need. Just give me a mic to splice them back in.
Thank you.
Next to you, Bob. Oh,
God
God.
damn it.
Oh, where's Bella going now? Can I get up there? No. Oh. Oh, nice. I'll take him out with my pistol.
That's not taking any damage.
Nah.
That's it, you distract him.
Get moving, O'Neill! We're heading off at ops!
Ah, this way. Or maybe not.
I thought O'Neill might know where he's going. And this looks like a man who knows where he's going, right?
Oh, there's
Yeah,
a gap.
definitely.
Okay.
Moving, Winter, I swear to God, I will leave your ass!
I've only got my pistol, so
Yeah, I've only got a pistol.
Yeah, the pistol too.
Oh God, there's so many. No, 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 go away. Behind you.
God damn it.
I will get off me. I'm trying. I've got 2 on me at the moment.
I'm dead.
Oh, I couldn't get 2 in time. Am I on my own?
Yep.
Yeah.
What? How do I get my pistol out? There we go. That's alright, I've got a nail, it'll be fine. I'll try and progress a bit
It'd be
further.
great if O'Neill, you know, actually shot something.
This is fine, this is fine. No, what? Ow! That went well.
Armor and health, thanks. Ammo.
You don't really take many hits either. Oh, Jesus, I'm down already.
I'm gonna try and run past it all.
Okay.
Yeah, that was my next suggestion.
Oh, Jesus.
I'm down.
Yeah, I was just watching you.
I say we just run past them.
Okay.
Oh, grenades.
What happens?
Yeah, why not?
I'm out of stamina. Come on. I think I found where to go. I'm hoping you'll teleport in here with me.
I'm trying to hold them off.
Let's keep moving, Nugget.
I'm going.
Don't call me that.
I know he's getting there.
Come on, open.
Ooh, excellent.
Hey! Nice of you to join me.
I don't understand this. There's shotgun shells in a belt. I have a shotgun. You can't get the ammo for it.
That's weird.
What?
Yeah,
Now we get ammo.
Oh, we get ammo.
I've got 5 rounds.
Oh, great.
Look at my shotgun. That's it.
Shotgun full.
There's a lot of armor here.
Yeah, but no
Who's a badass?
bullets.
I ran an illegal
Yeah. I was about to say this looks an awful lot like a boss arena.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We have no ammo.
Yeah, boss arena with no ammo. Perfect. Oh God, there's one coming out of a vent. Ah, you really?
Last one and we're solid.
I don't know what it expects us to do.
So, where is the AI? Oh, something's happening.
Yeah, well, seems like let's try again.
Yeah, that big one's on its way in, isn't it?
Yeah.
One of the bay doors.
Contact! Everyone put fire on that thing!
Yeah, we'd like to, you know.
With what?
Harsh language. Say again. Press G, you might have some grenades.
I'm not going to press G just yet.
Oh, well done. Hang up.
What? Die.
Yes, would you kindly die, please? Oh,
Everyone okay?
Roger that. All clear.
What just happened?
Affirmative. I'm here. Wait.
No
where's
idea.
O'Neill? What the hell happened to O'Neill?
I ate him.
We need to figure out how
Had
to
to
get
be
up.
done.
Tracker's moving with that thing.
We all good on ammo?
No!
No!
We're not!
Wait.
It's too
Oh.
risky. As the
Can't
ranking
fight.
officer, I have to
Just
make the call.
edging towards.
Make the call. He's the one that made us go after you.
Reed, you come with or not, but we are going after him. No Marine left behind. Court-martial us if you have to. Let's move, guys.
If we die, it's on you.
Then we go. boo out of ashes.
Alright, please give us some ammo.
Oh, fuck off. Right.
Ready up! Weapons out!
Son of a bitch.
If there's
Should've
no
stayed in the hangar.
ammo nearby,
Stopping
then
you from going back. Eyes up, people. Watch your rounds. No friendly fire.
Focus! Let's keep moving!
I will shoot all
yeah,
of you.
to the top.
Holy shit!
Oh, up.
Oh, to the right.
Yeah.
He's a big one.
Right.
Oh, they got me. I'm down.
Is this
You
the
need
right
to take
way?
this much ammo. I mean, this many rounds.
Come on, AI, get him.
Gotta be something. There's something like.
We
Ow!
need to make a run for the
I'm down. Medic!
I'm sorry.
Listen,
Alright, I'm trying to come for you, Bob, while they keep them busy.
Hey, I'm dead. I'm with a Pete.
Okay.
Thank you.
There you go. Oh, God.
I've just followed this. Oh shit. Fail.
Oh, jeez. Oh, the big one got me. Thank you.
No,
Oh,
no,
shit,
no,
shit.
no.
You don't see me.
Oh, come on! I didn't mean to do that.
Get out of the open! Hurry!
Oh no! Oh no! Oh no!
Oh, shit.
No. Left.
Don't seem to make a difference.
Ah, power loader. Get in.
Force will.
Winter, he's right.
Oh, rounds finally.
I'm back.
Oh, you got a power loader. Oh my god.
What do I do in this thing? Where is he?
Burn it.
I cannot see a thing. Alright, where is this thing? Oh, there it is. Ah, got ya. He's literally teleporting. Oh god, this is so clunky. Come on, let's go.
Got a minute, don't he?
Yeah, yeah.
Oh no, somebody else is going.
Ah. Get off my power loader. Yes. Die. I think he might be dead. Oh no, he was just frozen.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
I'm gonna die soon. I've only got a couple more hits left in me, then I'm dead. He's got me. Well, that was bullshit.
Wait, does someone else want to try it then?
Yes, I'm happy to hand over the reins.
I've got to go in. We're fighting him right now.
Try and fight him.
Yeah, go
'cause
for
I've
it.
got 11, 12, maybe 13,
Why have I got no ammo still?
Fine. Oh, there it is.
15. That was a grab. 15 hits.
Okay. I
16
landed
hits.
way more than that on him.
What the fuck? Did the game developers even try to balance this game out?
Ah, there's ammo over there. Okay.
16 hits. 17.
What happened there?
Oh, yeah,
I'm grabbing it.
Yeah, I managed to do that towards the beginning.
Oh. I just smashed it in the ground.
How'd you manage that? Have you taken him out? Are you serious? What?
Is it dead?
And just
Oh
to
my
add,
lord.
and just to add to that, it's not picking up the audio.
It's not for me. That's all. I sad lab. Yeah, son. Look at my bandana.
I'm gonna shoot you.
Hey, son. Don't blow her up. I might get some blood in my bandana.
I'm a biker from Connecticut. Why am I here?
I've got a black eye patch like an American footballer. Go long, go long.
Go short. Go.
Control. I'm working with idiots.
I'm fairly certain that's exactly what's going on right now.
Definitely. Yeah.
Good job, guys.
Oh, developers, you need to sit down and think about what we did. How did we all get here?
Oh, there's
I
Bishop.
know, but yeah, I'm liking Bishop's stance.
Yeah, the Wonder Woman stance.
Yeah, he just
I don't even know why I'm listening to this because nobody else is going to be able to. Well, I hope everyone enjoyed watching that more than we enjoyed playing it.
I don't even know what happened.
Oh well, good game.